Alright, today I'm going to be repairing a UV18 industrial tumbler. This repair is the same as the UV45. If you're having problems with your motor or it's sounding loud, I suggest you follow these couple tips here. So here I have the UV18 industrial. Took the bowl off. So next thing, you got to take the pad off. If you're very careful, you can do it without destroying the pad. Now that I have the pad off, you look here and you see it's got some silicone around here. What you're gonna wanna do is take a flathead, kind of spin it around here. Kind of loosen up the gap between the silicone and this metal piece here. Okay. Now we turn it over. As you can see, we have the motor. We have 4 nuts. 2, 3, 4. First, we take those off. Now that we have the 4 nuts off, see these 4 posts now? Go ahead and take a hammer, hit down each one. They should slide out. You might need to pull them out on some of them. They might be tight, you might need to get it. Okay. Next we go back to our flathead. We want to take it and put it under this little metal circle right here and push up. So you get this metal piece off here, okay? Now you see we have 4 bolts on top. The only thing holding the motor onto the base at this point. So we take those off. At this point, look for any cracks in the plate. Cracks can make sounds. Put a little bit of oil all the way around. Keep spinning it. Sometimes it's helpful to give the top just a little light tap. Give it a spin, see if it frees up. Other times, you might want to take your pliers and give it a little push upward. Okay, so you have the 4 spacers that you took off originally, and this piece. So what you want to do is you want to match it up, kind of match the holes up, turn it, make sure the holes are in the right area. You might have to turn it back this way. See, that matches up a little bit better. Put this back over. Put your 4 bolts on the top. Get them all down. Boom. Okay. Now you take your base. Make it easy. Start with the cord. Push it through. Motor in one hand, base in the other. So line it up to where your strain relief is right there. Put your motor back through the holes. Turn the unit over. Make sure the holes are lined up. If they aren't, you see this little part down here? Since you didn't tighten these bolts up, you can kind of move this piece down here, jiggle it left or right to see the holes line up a little better. See down there? Holes right there, lines up pretty good. So then once we have it all lined up, hand tighten these nice and good. Not too tight though, just nice and snug. This is a vibratory machine, so you want to make sure everything on here is screwed in nice and tightly. Okay, now that we're done with that, turn it back over here. We got our strain relief right here. So we're gonna take this, some pliers, put it back over. Push down on the two tabs right here. See? Get it nice and snug in there. And then hammer it and finish. Okay, now that we got our strain relief back in, so our cord isn't all over the place, it's time to do the carriage bolts. Give them a little tighten, about 2.5 rotations to 3. Should feel it starting to tighten up around the third one. Then you just go back around. Fingertips. I like to use my fingertips here. Nice, easy turn. Nice, easy turn. On all of them, kitty corner. Okay, now give your weight a spin. See, this weight kind of froze up a little here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back off a couple of these and give it another spin. See, now that's a little better. Now that we have it running again, as you can see, sounds decent. Sometimes you just need a new motor though. They eventually wear out. This one is from 2017. Still sounds decent. I bet she'll go another year or two. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below.